Oh man, this is so trippy. Alright, got this shot, this shot, this shot. So fun. Multi-shot, dude, multi-shot. How many shots? This is way more shots than it's gonna take. You gotta take your shot, man. Alright, I'm taking my shot. Oh, the whole thing, that thing wasn't recording the whole time. My main camera wasn't recording the whole time there. God, D-word. But I got this one recording. Ah, holy smokes. Oh my gosh, this thing is like, you know, starting a YouTube channel is not as easy as you think. Yeah, gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, this is it. This is Coral Workshop. It's messy, it's a work in progress, and lots of problems to solve, but I love it. They say the first step is the hardest, but sometimes getting to the starting line is the real journey. I'll save that for later, but for now, I just wanted to show you around, give you an idea of what this channel's all about. When it comes to reefing, I'm a total rookie. This is just my second year of reefing, and although I've had about 4 different tanks and always one upgraded to the next, I've still got lots to learn. I think there are plenty of tutorials out there, so this isn't really a how-to channel. If anything, it might be a how not to. Overall, I just hope you'll be entertained by these projects, and ultimately my goal is to build better and better systems so that the animals that we care for can thrive. All right, we're ready here to move some coral around. We've got these mushrooms over here that I'm going to move, I think, more into a central location. And I'm going to put this elegance coral in that little covey there. The idea is here is, well, first mainly it's the flow here. Where this elegance is sitting, it's getting blasted quite a bit on this side, and so it's a little bit too much flow, I think. I think it's maybe protected in that little cove. That's my theory. These mushrooms they're not doing too great here, that one. I think these would maybe do better in that little cove back there. The chalice, I maybe need to, maybe just put it back a little bit. I'll figure that out. But yeah, let's get into it. I think I have everything I need. Oh, I do want just a disc. I think I have maybe one. Yeah, so something like this. I'm actually gonna mount that kind of on an angle, so it's like kind of off of the sand and just kind of presented nicely, you know, rather than just flopped over flat. Although flat look good too. Let's see when I take it out. But first I'm gonna move these mushrooms over and kind of rearrange this chalice here. So lid coming off. At some point talk about this lid too. Get my towel ready. And I'm just gonna get in here and get these mushrooms moved over. Hey, these guys are biting me already. Get out of here, get out of here. That's why nighttime is like way better for this stuff, because freaking these guys going nuts. Workshop logo would go right up there, and that was kind of the plan, but it's getting all dismantled. All this is getting dismantled, or well, the modules will stay attached as intact as I just explained. But the sump will be dismantled, the frag tank will be dismantled and turned into the sump, and all of this will be fit into one very neat package. Hopefully not a wire in sight, they're all paneled out, and the animals will be happy in there. We'll have plenty of space for both the frags and a little bit of display. as well, be prepared for moving in less than a year, because this thing needs to come apart and eventually find its